Hello, and welcome to Tiaplix.com. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to simply set up QuickBooks integration in Tiaplix using 3 easy steps. For step 1, we'll need to log into the Tiaplix application and download Intuit's web connector. Click the tab marked QuickBooks and navigate your way to the section called Integration Setup. Here you'll find a detailed set of instructions which will help guide you through each of the steps we covered today in more detail. Click on the link that reads Download and Install QuickBooks Web Connector here. This will lead you to Intuit's website where you can download and install the web connector. The installation may take a few minutes. Step 2. Once you finish installing the web connector, you'll need to add the Tiaplix application to QuickBooks. Scroll down and download the tiaplix.qwc file in the Integration Setup section. Next, open both QuickBooks and the web connector. When web connector opens, click the button that says Add an Application and navigate to the tiaplix.qwc file. Once you select it, you'll need to allow Tiaplix permission to access QuickBooks. Refer to the screenshot in the Integration Setup section to set the permissions and log in using your Tiaplix username and password. Finally, update the program by selecting it and using the Update Selected box at the top of the screen. Tiaplix and QuickBooks will attempt connection to one another. The setup may take a few minutes. Step 3. Now that we've set up the Tiaplix application, we need to set up export and import functions between Tiaplix and QuickBooks. The QuickBooks integration parameters window should have opened automatically during the setup process. Here, you can set up how you'd like QuickBooks to export orders. You can choose what orders to export by date, orders already shipped, all orders received, and so on. The orders should be created as a sales receipt. For customer records, you can choose from the options to create 1 record per order, 1 per marketplace, or to not create one at all. We recommend choosing 1 per marketplace due to the limitations QuickBooks puts on the number of orders it will store and because it keeps record keeping far neater. You can also select the right customer name and deposit bank accounts for each source, as well as select the right item to represent shipping, tax, discounts, and fees. Remember, even if you don't charge sales tax, you'll still need to set up this option in QuickBooks and select it in Tiaplix. Under Inventory, you can select to skip orders with no matching inventory in order to manually map them later, or choose default items you'd like to apply to your inventory, orders, and sales. It should be noted that even if you choose the default items, you will still have the option to map orders you'd like to track. Once all items are set to your preferences, hit Update QuickBooks Setup and allow the application to finish the setup process. Again, this may take a few minutes to sync and set up. Now, we'll need to head back to the Tiaplix application. Under the QuickBooks tab in the section that says Item Mapping, you can search for unmapped items and find ordered items that are not matching your QuickBooks inventory. These show up because they have not been mapped. Tiaplix makes manually mapping easy by allowing you to simply select the inventory name from a drop-down list. Once you've mapped the items to their proper SKU and QuickBooks inventory name, you can hit the Update Name to SKU Mapping button at the bottom of the page. If you refresh the screen, you will have no unmapped items. This concludes our 3-part tutorial on how to properly integrate Tiaplix with QuickBooks. If you have any problems, please refer to the Help section or feel free to contact us at Tiaplix.com. Thank you for watching.